The Rolls Royce Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of what happens when ultimate luxury, handcrafted design, and futuristic travel all merge into one purpose, creating the most refined mobile living space ever built. Welcome to SF Car Reviews, and today we're taking you inside a motorhome that doesn't just raise the bar for the RV world, it creates a completely new class of luxury travel. From the moment you walk up to it, the Rolls Royce Motorhome makes one thing clear: this isn't your typical campsite machine. The silhouette is tall, long, and sculpted with the same flowing lines and polished surfaces Rolls-Royce uses on its flagship sedans. The massive illuminated grille, the signature spirit of ecstasy, and the ultra-silent LED light bars all come together to create a road presence that feels more like a moving mansion than an RV. Even the sidewalls expand outward at a button press, turning the parked motorhome into a full luxury suite. Open the door and the experience shifts to pure Rolls-Royce theatre. Whisper quiet soft closed doors, a warm glow of ambient lighting, and the unmistakable aroma of hand-stitched leather welcome you inside. The living lounge feels like a private jet cabin: cashmere-lined cushions, open-pore wood veneers, crystal-cut accents, and a 360-degree smart glass window system that can switch from clear to tinted to fully opaque. Rolls-Royce calls it the Horizon Room, a place where the outside world becomes visual art while you relax in absolute silence. The lounge converts effortlessly into a king-size bed using an electric track system. Every surface is smooth, every movement is silent, every button press feels intentional. Even the lighting follows you as you move, adjusting brightness and color temperature automatically. The detail work is so precise that even the stitching pattern is aligned with the grain of the wooden trim. Move deeper into the cabin and you'll find a kitchen that doesn't feel like a kitchen at all. Marble finished countertops, a touched glass induction cooking panel, a built-in wine cooler, a hidden microwave drawer, and a smart fridge that suggests meals based on what ingredients you have stored. Everything is flush, seamless, and beautifully integrated. When not in use, the kitchen hides behind wooden panels, keeping the cabin looking like a modern luxury apartment. The bathroom continues the same theme: heated stone floors, a rainfall shower with steam mode, a self-cleaning toilet, and a vanity with ultrasonic sensors for water control. The shower walls illuminate with soft lighting patterns, and you can even select ambient sounds: ocean waves, rain, forest breeze, transforming the bathroom into a spa on wheels. But perhaps the most impressive part of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome is its Spiritos system, an onboard AI butler that controls climate, lighting, navigation, entertainment, energy use, and even your comfort preferences. Spiritos learns your habits: what temperature you prefer, what kind of music you play at night, how bright you keep your lights, and the places you like to visit. Say, "I'm feeling tired," and the motorhome shifts into relaxation mode: cooler air, dim lighting, soft instrumental music, and a seat adjustment that slowly reclines you into a resting position. Driving this machine is another level of engineering excellence. Under the hood is a hybrid V12 powertrain producing around 600 horsepower, delivering enough power to move this massive luxury suite with complete smoothness. The famous Magic Carpet Ride system has been re-engineered for motorhome dimensions, using predictive cameras to scan the road ahead and adjust the suspension before the wheels even touch a bump. The entire cabin floats, glides, and absorbs imperfections in a way no other RV can match. At highway speeds, wind noise is almost non-existent, and the electrified drivetrain makes city driving whisper quiet. On long journeys, the autonomous touring mode becomes a highlight. The motorhome can handle lane keeping, adaptive cruise, traffic monitoring, and slow speed maneuvering in campsites with minimal input. Parking a massive machine like this becomes effortless thanks to 360-degree LiDAR, drone-assisted overhead view, and self-positioning stabilizers. The entertainment system includes a 4K folding projector, a full surround sound setup, and a retractable starlight ceiling specifically designed for the motorhome. It becomes a private cinema at night, with seats that recline, vibrate to audio cues, and even provide gentle heating. And then there's the exclusivity. Rolls Royce plans extremely limited production, around a few dozen per year, with each unit being hand-built and customizable to the owner's taste. Prices start around $1.2 million and easily cross $2 million with bespoke requests. This isn't aimed at regular RV buyers. It's for clients who want a private jet experience on the road and have the resources to commission something extraordinary. But despite the breathtaking luxury, it's not perfect. The sheer size makes city travel difficult, maintenance will be extremely expensive, and the availability of service centers familiar with such a complex machine will be limited. And of course, the price puts it far outside the reach of even most luxury vehicle buyers. Yet for those who can afford it, the Rolls Royce Motorhome delivers something no other RV in the world does: a serene, elegant, handcrafted sanctuary that transforms travel into an art form. It's not about trips or destinations. It's about the feeling of moving through the world wrapped in absolute comfort. This has been SF Car Reviews, giving you an exclusive look at the Rolls Royce Motorhome, a rare fusion of engineering, luxury, and imagination. If you enjoy ultra-premium vehicle reviews, make sure you subscribe for more luxury motorhomes, exotic SUVs, and next-generation automotive experiences. The journey continues, and we'll see you in the next review.